welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build goal-based sub accounts for builds in Capital One 360. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create a goal-based sub account for builds with Capital One 360, you will open multiple 360 performance saving accounts, and you need to give each of the accounts one distinct nickname. There is no official sub accounts or buckets features, so opening separate free saving account is the standard practice. So first of all you gotta do is simply open your new 360 performance saving account by logging in your Capital One account. Navigate to the savings section, choose 360 performance saving, and repeat as needed. Now you need to name and organize all your bill accounts. Automate your saving by creating recurring transfers, choosing a frequency, and consider your paycheck percentage. Then you need to pay your bill. So this is how it can be done. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.